almost more than 30 Indian students are here. So I have reached KIT today. There are many students who are waiting behind me to write the Aufnahmeprüfung. This is the batch 2 going in for Aufnahme Studienkollegs, Aufnahme exam.
I just wrote my KIT Aufnahmeprüfung. The paper, it was really hard. I have given TU Darmstadt, I have given Halle, I have given three Aufnahmeprüfungs, and till now, KIT's paper has been the hardest.
KIT provides you with a couple of sample papers, but the sample papers are not enough. You have to create two accounts, namely Onset and Ilias accounts. I personally faced some issues in creating my accounts, and Mr. Amritpal was personally present here in Germany with us, and he solved my issues, and I could give my exam today without any issues.
There are hundreds of Indian students with different counselors, but Amritpala Vision was the only counselor who came, flew in and supported us. So thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Amritpal, founder of Amritpal Vision, your mentor, guide and true friend while you study here in Germany. It's 5:15 in the morning in Frankfurt and I'm going to KIT to see my students who will be writing Aufnahme exam today. Many of them got already placed into the Studienkollegs, public Studienkollegs, and as you know that we have 100% result when it comes to placing the student in government public university here in Germany, and that too in Studienkolleg. Many student doesn't get a seat in Studienkolleg because it's always very tough to find a seat here in Studienkolleg because the competition is very tough, but not for the students of Amritpal Vision. We have 100% track record, 100% placement ratio in German Studienkollegs. So today I'm going to KIT to cover the Aufnahmetest of KIT, where my students will be writing the exams, Aufnahme exams, and many of them has already cracked many STKs and they are just giving it just for backup, so that they have many options with them when comes to the final selection of the university. So guys, please follow me on Instagram, that is Amritpal Vision, where you will see latest update related to studying in Germany, and also subscribe my channel, that is Amritpal Vision, where you can see latest updates related to study in Germany. Hello everyone, this is Amritpal. So I have reached KIT today. There are many students who are waiting behind me to write the Aufnahmeprüfungs. So at the different times, the examination will be conducted at 8:45, 10, 1, 12:30, 11:30. So there are different times given to the students, allotted to the students to write the Aufnahme. And I think so more than 1,000 people will write the Aufnahme here. And I am sure that Amritpal Vision students will definitely take a place here in KIT. And many students have already got into different Studienkollegs and they are just here to write the Aufnahme of KIT, so that they have multiple choices to select from. So if you are looking to study here in Germany, I will be always on your side, behind your back, who will be always mentoring you during your whole journey of studying in Germany. So guys, I will be showing you short clips of the students who will go to write the Aufnahme exams. So guys, this is batch 2 just behind me. More than 30 students are here to write the Aufnahme. So I will show you the batch 3 after this batch, and more than 30 students are here from India who will write their Aufnahme today, and today is 29th and the exam is in KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. And we already have 2 students from Amritpal of Vision who are in batch 2, 3 students in batch 3 and 3 students in batch 1. So we will give you the insights about KIT Studienkollegs and KIT Aufnahme after they finish their exams. So guys, all the best. Today I am here in KIT with 6 of my students who are from Amritpal of Vision who have just attended the Aufnahmeprüfung here in KIT of September 2023 intake. He is Adit, who has also given the examination in TU Berlin. Mr. Divyan already given the exam in TU Berlin, cleared TU Darmstadt exam, Aufnahme, also cleared Halle exam, but ditched both the universities because he's willing to go in TU Berlin or KIT. Other students who have given the examination today, we will ask them about their reviews of writing the Aufnahme here in KIT. KIT is known as one of the toughest paper setter here in Germany for Aufnahmeprüfung. So our main purpose to make this video is whenever you come to Germany, if you come to KIT, come with a proper preparation of maths and German, and they will let you know because they have wrote the Aufnahme just 20 minutes ago, so they will let you know what to prepare and how to come here in Germany for giving the Aufnahmeprüfung here in KIT.
Hello guys, my name is Adit. I just wrote my KIT Aufnahmeprüfung, and the paper, it was really hard. I have given TU Darmstadt, I have given Halle, I have given 3 Aufnahmeprüfungs, and till now KIT's paper has been the hardest. And I would say for German, one needs to have at least C1 in German. I would recommend you to learn German till C1 level in Germany, or else your chances of getting into KIT are very low.
Yes, Divyan.
Today I gave my exam as well, and the maths exam was especially hard compared to all the other Aufnahmetests I've given until now. And KIT provides you with a couple of sample papers, but the sample papers are not enough and they do not show the actual level of the exam. So I would recommend looking for videos or more material to practice of a bit higher level compared to the sample papers given here.
What were the topics?
The topics were roughly inequalities, basic algebra, some differentiation, integration, geometry, basically the things we learn until class 11th and 12th, but it's not comparable to the other Aufnahmetests. It's harder than them.
Okay. Yes, Simon.
Yeah, I also gave my Aufnahmetest. The German was alright, but yeah, as he said, maths was pretty tough. You have a very vast range of topics like differentiation, and yeah, you have to be prepared for maths.
Right. Yes.
As both of them suggested, maths, you can't take it lightly. You can't expect just to do the CBSE and be okay with it. You have to practice even Indian supplementaries such as Adi Sharma. It's very, very important. Maths is really, really difficult in KIT. It's one of the hardest, and that's what I have to say.
I think I'd suggest that most of us only did, most of the topics we did were from 10th grade CBSE, but it's really good if we could do more of 11th grade or 12th grade CBSE. A thorough revision of high school mathematics would be really helpful.
Hi guys, this is Priyanshu. So at last I would like to say that it's all about mathematics in KIT. If you are the best in maths, you could easily pass the exam. Thank you.
There are a couple of complications here in the exam in KIT. This is one of the only exams which is also digitalized in Germany. So you have to create 2 accounts, namely Onset and Ilias accounts. I personally faced some issues in creating my accounts, and Mr. Amritpal was personally present here in Germany with us. So I could contact him anytime I needed him, and he solved my issues, and I could give my exam today without any issues. So thank you to Mr. Amritpal and Amritpal Vision. They helped me to get where I am today.
Also guys, I would like to add on that Amritpal Vision was the only counselor who actually flew all the way out to Germany to help us and support us throughout all the Aufnahmes, whether it be KIT, Berlin, Munich. There are hundreds of Indian students with different counselors, but Amritpal Vision was the only counselor who came, flew in and supported us. So thank you from the bottom of my heart.
So guys, if you are looking to study here in Germany and if you are looking to come to public Studienkolleg, then you can always contact Amritpal Vision. We will be always on your back, standing here in Germany till you get into public Studienkolleg. So guys, see you soon here in Germany. Bye-bye.